innocent man.
Former President Donald Trump is now a convicted felon. 7 men, 5 women on the jury in a criminal trial of Donald Trump deliberated less than 12 hours over 2 days before finding the former president guilty on 34 felony counts. Thanks for joining us at 11. I'm Bob Donaldson.
And I'm Chelsea Helms. Trump stood accused of falsifying records during his presidential run. That was back in 2016 to cover up an alleged sexual encounter with Stormy Daniels.
CBS's Michael George has late reaction tonight from the courthouse in New York City.
Moments after his historic conviction, former President Donald Trump denounced the verdict, finding him guilty of all 34 counts in connection with a hush money payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels.
This was a disgrace. This was a rigged trial by a conflicted judge who was corrupt. The real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people. And they know what happened here, and everybody knows what happened here. We didn't do a thing wrong. I'm a very innocent man.
The only voice that matters is the voice of the jury, and the jury has spoken.
People gathered here outside the Manhattan Criminal Courthouse expressed their opinions about this history-making verdict.
And just to see that, a president can be found guilty, a president can be held accountable, I think is an incredible show of democracy.
This is political prosecution, and there's absolutely nothing behind this case. And I hope they appeal it.
During the trial, Trump's former lawyer and fixer, Michael Cohen, helped prosecutors draw a link between Trump and charges he falsified business records to disguise reimbursements for a $130,000 payment. Prosecutors argued that was to buy Daniels silence about an alleged 2006 sexual encounter with Trump. Trump denies the encounter ever took place. In closing arguments, Trump's lead attorney called Cohen the MVP of liars.
They knew that they didn't always have perfect evidence, but every moment they tried to say, we're backing it up. You don't just have to believe Michael Cohen. Look at what everybody else is telling you as well.
The judge set Trump's sentencing for July 11th, 4 days before the Republican National Convention. Michael George, CBS News, New York.
Former President Trump faces up to 4 years in prison, but could also get probation with no prison time. Legal experts say Trump cannot legally pardon himself if he is elected president in November.